In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know how to sort your data cleanly and use filters to quickly find what you need, all without breaking your spreadsheet. Start by opening your Google Sheet and looking at the area you want to organize. Click and drag to select the data you want to work with. It's important to include your entire table in the selection, so rows stay intact when they move. If your table has headers, make sure they're part of what you select. We'll use that in a moment. If your sheet is large, a quick way to highlight everything in a block is to click the first cell, hold Shift, and click the last cell in the range. Next, go to the top menu and click Data. From there, choose Sort Range. In the submenu, click Advanced Range Sorting Options. This opens a dialog where you can control how the selection is ordered. If your selection includes headers like name or date, check the option that says your data has a header row so the headers won't be sorted into the data. Click the Sort by drop-down to choose your primary sort column. Select column A as your first level. Decide whether you want A to Z for ascending or Z to A for descending. A to Z is common for names or text, and oldest to newest works for dates. To make the order even more precise, add a second level and select column C. Multi-level sorts are helpful when multiple rows share the same value in the first column because column C will break the ties consistently. When you're ready, click Sort. Your selected rows will reorganize based on the rules you just set, keeping each row's data together. Click back into the sheet to confirm everything looks right. If anything seems off, use Undo to go back and try a different column order or sort direction. Now that the data is neatly arranged, it's easier to move things around. If you need to reposition a column, click its letter at the top to highlight the whole column and then drag it left or right. For rows, select the entire row before cutting, copying, or dragging so nothing gets misaligned. For quick, on-the-fly exploration, return to the Data menu and click Create a Filter. You'll see filter icons appear in your header cells. Click the filter icon on the column you want to work with, and choose Sort A to Z. This sorts the sheet instantly using that column. You can also use the same menu to temporarily show or hide values without changing your underlying data. When you're done, you can turn the filter off from the Data menu at any time.